Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you how you can speed up your Windows 7, 8 or 10. There are only 6 steps to speed up your Windows. Step number 1. Delete unnecessary programs. Delete the programs you never use. Click on the Start button. Click on the Control panel. Then click on Uninstall programs. Now select the programs that are unnecessary and uninstall them. Step number 2. Clean up local disk C. Unnecessary files on your hard disk take up disk space and can slow down your computer. Disk cleanup removes temporary files, empties the recycle bin, and removes a variety of system files and other items that you no longer need. Double-click on the computer, then right-click on the local disk C. Now click on the Properties and click on the Disk Cleanup. Now the disk files are checking. Now select the files to delete. Then go to the Tools tab. Check your disk and defragment your disk and make a schedule of disk defragment weekly. Step number 3. Delete temporary data of apps you have installed on your computer. Open the Run command. Type app data. Now select all data and delete. Confirm it to delete. Skip the files which are not deleting. Step number 4. Delete the temporary files. Again open the Run command and type temp, T-E-M-P. Select the temporary files and delete them. Skip the files which are not deleting. Step number 5. You have to install a software. The name of this software is CCleaner. This is a very good software to clean your computer and make fast. You can download this software for free. The link has been mentioned in the description. Install the software and open it. Now these are the files which you should delete for making faster Windows 7, 8 or 10. You can uncheck the files which you not want to delete. Click on Run Cleaner and confirm it. Then click on Analyze and again click on Run Cleaner. Confirm it to delete. Step number 6. Limit how many programs run at startup. Many programs are designed to start automatically when Windows starts. Software manufacturers often set their programs to open in the background, where you can't see them running, so they will open right away when you click their icons. That's helpful for programs you use a lot. But for programs you rarely or never use, this wastes precious memory and slows down the time it takes Windows to finish starting up. Decide for yourself if you want a program to run at startup. For this, click on the Start button and type msconfig in the search box and enter. Now click on the Startup tab. Uncheck the programs you not want to start automatically with Windows Startup. Then click on Apply and OK. I hope after these steps your Windows will run fast. For more help, comment us. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.